You've done all of the writing, you and your team. You think it's beautiful. You've used the most eloquent words and descriptions, and now comes the editing phase. I call this the red pen phase, but it's really important. An editor advocates for the end user and refines the ideas of the writing team. Here are some helpful tips if you're part of the editing team or the editor. Ensure that you understand the vision and the purpose of the resource. Who is it for? What is the goal? What is it trying to achieve? If it's a brochure, make sure that the target audience is understood, know who they are and what the intended context is for that brochure. If it is a video, what is the vision and the purpose of that video? What are you trying to do? That'll really help you as an editor to look at the words that are written. And perhaps the next step is to rewrite sentences, make them simple and understandable. Change the order a little bit for better flow and to see those ideas just flow better and perhaps even better learning design. As writers, we can get so involved in the details that we forget to make things simple. And that's where an editor is really helpful. Also check for consistency in words and concepts. Consistency in words and concepts. Is something described the same way throughout the document or throughout the video? For example, if you're creating a document or a video for grandparents, in one part of the document you're referring to a care home, perhaps in another retirement home or retirement village. Try and use consistent terminology throughout the resource. Remember that not all editors can proofread, and not all proofreaders are good editors. A good editor is ideally working in their first language. That really makes the process of spotting mistakes and rewriting and simplifying sentences a lot smoother. Now, again, if you go to the bottom of your page, in bottom of page 30 in your manual, you'll see there is a link to a capacity building kit for help with editing. Happy editing!